Morning, everybody. This video here, the purpose of this video this morning is to talk to you about the Chapter 6 test. A reminder, it was posted this past Tuesday on Edulastic, and now we're at the point to where it is due tomorrow night at 11:59 in the evening. So, something I want to point out to you with regards to that test. The projectile motion problems have basically three parts, as we've seen all along. And the way I did it on the worksheets was, if you recall, like part A was calculate hang time, part B was calculate the maximum height, and part C was to calculate the range. Well, in Edulastic, couldn't figure out a way. I don't know if they even let you do it or not, but I couldn't figure out a way to have 15, like part A, part B, and part C, and so on and so forth. So, in Edulastic, for the document, when you sit here taking the test, you get to the first projectile motion problem. Then, on the document it says 15A, B, and C. Well, 15A in Edulastic should correspond to question 15, and then for the for the maximum height in 15B, that's going to correspond to question 16 on Edulastic. And then for the range for problem 15, that's going to correspond to question number 17 on Edulastic. And then, of course, everything else is kind of off from there because of that. So when you're addressing question 16, you're reading question 16 on the test itself, that's actually going to correspond to question 18 on Edulastic, and so on and so forth. 17 corresponds to question 9, or slot 19 rather, if you will, on Edulastic. The second projectile motion problem is number 18. 18A corresponds with question number 20 on Edulastic, 18B 21, 18C 22. And then over here, just continuing for the rest of the test, question 19 is question 23 on Edulastic, 20 is 24, 21 is 25, 22 is 26. Question 23 on the document, on the test itself, is question 20 is put your answer in slot number 27 on Edulastic, 24, 28, and then the extra credits is number 29. Now, it would be very helpful if you would, when you get to number 15, maybe put in there 15A, and then for when you get to question 16, you're dealing with part B of number 15, just put 15B, and so on and so forth, because I'm trying to look for a way to grade these in a timely fashion, and it would be very helpful if you follow this system here, and if you just write 15A for question number 15, that way that you're calculating the hang time for question 15 in Edulastic, and I know what I'm looking at here, because again, I have to grade 80 of these, however many physics students. I have to grade all those tests in a relatively short period of time, because I know you want to know how you did on them, and I get that. So if you help me by doing this and just following this system and just indicating, for again, number 15 on Edulastic, just put 15A. Number 16 on Edulastic, put 15B, and number 17, put 15C. And then when you get down to number 20, put 18A, and then 21, 18B, and then 22, 18C. And again, that would be that would also help me and really help you first, kind of keep things straight, and then it would make the grading a little bit easier for yours truly, since I'm of course the one that's got to take care of that. So work through that, and again, just as a reminder, it's just short of 10 o'clock Monday morning. You have a little bit more than a day and a half to get that test completed. So I need you to make sure you do that by 11:59 tomorrow night. And another thing, don't wait till like 11:50 tomorrow night to start the test. Unless you somehow think you're going to finish the test in 9 minutes, which I say good luck. Make sure you allow yourself enough time to get the test done well ahead of that deadline, so that there's no glitches or no issues or anything like that. So I do appreciate your efforts. We're going to keep plugging on here, and if you have questions at any point, let me know. I'm more than happy to give you a hand. Thank you.